Hello everyone, Alex here from Japan, Nohara Auto, and today we are going to review this Hilux Surf 1993 2LTE engine. It's 2.4 turbo diesel. Everyone have fun, and don't forget that if you want to import car from Japan, all the links down below in the description. You can contact us and with our help buy a car of your dream. Let's go.
Well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. You couldn't wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. And I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord. Well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord.
So this Hilux Surf is a pretty good example of what should be imported into the United States. This car is 33 years old. It's going to be, of course, exported to the United States with a 25-year rule. It's more than 25 years old, obviously, and the US audience is familiar with this truck because you guys had it with the name of 4RUNNER. Here in Japan it was called Hilux Surf. Hilux means that this one was made in a base of the Toyota original pickup truck. Has this sticker from the 90s that they had only in Japan, so it makes this car more JDM vibey, if you know what I mean. Of course, not repainted, no accident history, nothing like that. As you can see, no big dents or anything like that. So body is in a pretty good shape, except parts like this, and of course small scratches. Paint is faded a little bit, but in general this one is a very good example of what should be bought in the Japanese auctions. Let's see what is inside, of course. So, gonna show you the engine bay real quick. This is 2.4 turbo diesel engine. No rust, nothing bad in the engine bay area, as I already said. And interior as well looks pretty good for the 33 years old car. Door cards look pretty good, no big scratches, nothing. The plastic is in the good shape as well. In the seats, of course, the driver has some damage around here, but basically it's a very good condition. Look at this. No dirt, no cigarette holes, nothing like that. Let's check the auction list. I'm gonna translate it for you guys real quick. So, as I already said, it's 1993 Hilux Surf in a SSRX wide version. So, in Japan they had this wide version and the narrow version. So wide is a bigger one, but simply talking, the one that you have in the US, it's a wide in Japan. So score is 3.5, C for interior and C for exterior, because it has some small issues. Sales point says to us that this car is first time auctioned, and the inspector wrote that the body had some scratches, seats are torn, it's just like I already showed you, stuff like that. Seats are worn off, steering is not original, obviously, as we can see here, it's not a Toyota. Altezza Designo, that's what the brand says. Some scratches on the mirrors. It has a roof carrier right here, and some scratches on the step, and it's lifted up, so there's some aftermarket work in the bottom of the car. I'm gonna show you at the end. And this one, of course, has the roof, sunroof as well, moonroof, whatever. Of course, it's a 4-wheel drive, and the carpets, well, driver's carpet is not that good, but if you see the second row, you can see that, you know, it's in a very good condition for the car that's 33 years old. And the mileage of this car is 160,000 kilometers, which is around 100,000 miles. Not that bad for the, car that is pretty old, but it's not a super low mileage as well. I'm gonna be honest with you here. The wheels are not original, but it's a pretty good ones. Make it look pretty rough, especially being lifted. And the wheels itself is 2017, not in the best shape, but you still can use it. You can change it if you want, but it's a Dunlop, so I don't think that you need to change those real quick. And of course, we need to check this thing for rust. You can see how it's lifted up and how undercarriage is going on. No rust, no corrosion. I mean, there is some small places with a small rust, but nothing serious, as you can see. Pretty decent condition for a car this year. Here is a key. And before I end this video, I'm gonna show you real quick how the back door opens. You just turn the key, open it. There is also some aftermarket curtains that probably owner installed by himself. This cover around here, yeah. So this area is also in a pretty good condition as well. Ceiling, no scratches, no dirt, nothing like that. I mean, For a mileage like that and for a year like that, it's a pretty good deal. So that's pretty it for today. Thank you for watching this video. As I said, this car is going to go to the United States to the dealer who's gonna sell it. I hope to a very good person that's gonna take care of it. So if you're interested in this car or anything else from the Japanese auctions, please check the description, contact us, and we will help you to find your dream. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
If you like the video and if you like the JDM cars, please subscribe and see you next time.